The secret behind watermelon rinds for losing weight. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the secret in watermelon rinds. You will burn the rumen in 3 days, will lose lumps of fat, help you tighten the abdomen and remove the rumen completely. Ingredients: watermelon rinds, lemon water, peppermint leaves. Now let us know the most important benefits of these components. Number 1. Watermelon rind. What is watermelon rind? Peels contain sugar and wax. And watermelon rind juice contains citrulline, betaine, malic acid, fructose, glucose, sucrose, lycopene, vitamin C and so on. It encompasses low calories and high content of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B6 and zinc. It is loaded with citrulline, chlorophyll, amino acids, lycopene, phenolic compounds and flavonoids. A single serving of 1 cup of rind offers more than 30% of daily requirement for vitamin C that enhance immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the white blood cells production that acts as a first line of defense against infection and foreign pathogens. It is a low-calorie snack that supports weight loss due to high content of fiber. It makes one feel full by stimulating metabolism and promoting fat-burning capacity to shed some pounds. Number 2. Lemon water. There are so many benefits that come with including lemon water in your diet. Besides the drop in calorie consumption, it can improve your health too. Here are just a few reasons why it is beneficial. Lemon water is low in calories. Lemon water can boost your metabolism. Drinking lemon water can make you feel more full. Drinking lemon water keeps you hydrated. Drinking lemon water helps with digestion. Drinking lemon water helps with detoxification. Lemon water keeps you from getting sick. Lemon water gives you a boost of energy in the morning. Number 3. Peppermint leaves. Peppermint essential oil, when consumed, applied to points on your skin, or dispersed through the air, can help you lose pounds and inches because it has constituents that inhibit hunger and cravings, which helps the dieter eat less and causes weight loss, which in turn reduces your carbohydrate intake and causes weight loss. It clears the head and helps to alleviate the lack of focus and brain fog that can sometimes be part of dieting. It triggers the release of brain chemicals that help increase your endurance, so that you can exercise longer, and this allows you to expend more calories. Peppermint oil can help alleviate muscle pain, which allows you to work out for a longer period of time. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which helps you digest food and eliminate waste by triggering peristalsis. The menthol in peppermint oil also dissolves gas, which makes you appear less bloated and makes your tummy look flatter. It increases the flow of bile, which helps food to pass through your body faster and resist weight gain. It makes you feel calmer and can help relieve any headaches associated with the detoxification that is sometimes associated with staying on a low-calorie diet. The method: 1. Some of the watermelon rind. Now hit them in the mixer. 2. 1 piece of lemon. 3. Some of peppermint leaves. 4. 2 cups of water. By strain or filter the mixture well. Drink it before your meals, because it will make you feel full. You can buy these components easily from the link in the video description. If you like to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.